Right, so today I'm cutting with this Stihl 051. I'm sure you've all seen these. It's probably from the mid-70s, I think, give or take. Slightly older one, it hasn't got the chain brake, it's just got this like knuckle guard thing. It's got a 26-inch Oregon bar on it, Stihl chain, 404, and yeah, not much else really. It's got the adjustable oiler on it, which is nice. And I think it's about 89cc, 90cc. It's a bit of a lump, but not like the Dan arms, it's a different kind of lump. So, got a bit of wood there to cut up, a bit of birch. So we'll get it fired up, get it warmed up and start cutting.